school remain at the cutting edge of the educational excellence. Her leadership has not only improved school operations but has also significantly boosted academics. She continues to be a driving force in implementing strategic changes that benefit the school community. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So, with your permission, may I begin?
Yes, please, please.
Namaskar, all the educators over here. First thing first is, I left yesterday with something, but I don't want to begin with that because that was the misuse. Today, we are here to collaborate, foster things. And so I'm sharing my PPT so that we all can first start with a positive note after this Saraswati Vandana. Right. So fostering means we want to learn. Here comes learning. Collaboration means when we want to share knowledge, and communication means to leave those gaps behind and start working on it. So when I welcome all the educators over here, today, from yesterday onwards, we have started, but today we'll be talking about AI to help for the collaboration between among students and teachers to increase the excitement in the class. We all know what is AI. It's sir yesterday told us about intelligence, and today I'll be telling about artificial intelligence. It's the simulation. Human intelligence by machines and the ability to solve problems, the ability to act rationally and to act like humans. This is what is AI with reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning, and communication. And these all things as teachers we are using among when we are teaching the children, whether it is reasoning, knowledge, planning. So AI is helping us, assisting us in all these things. So when the revolutionized communication across various domains AI is doing. Yesterday, we saw sir showed us education. Anywhere you name it, we have AI. Whether you are talking, whether you are traveling, whether you are watching a movie, driving, all smart learning adaptive tools, adaptive platforms have come for us. And why adaptive? Because we can personalize those tools. These tools will change the lesson plannings and everything. I'll teach you today, and I request everyone to please have a mobile or a laptop so that we'll do hands-on today. It's very important. The app I'll be telling you, teaching you, and I'll be collaborating with you people, and I'll be asking you to share your screens with me so that I can see whether this intelligent tutoring system has helped us or not. So how we can enhance communication? There are AI helpers, which we call as virtual assistants or AI powered chatbots, which help us. Yesterday only we discussed about these chatbots. When we are talking to them, they are answering to us. Similarly, the virtual assistant that sir told about Uber and Ola yesterday. Natural language processing tools are there, which will help you to translate to different languages and will help you to simplify the teaching for the children if they don't understand. I'll be showing you this single tool will help you in all these things which I'm telling you. The collaborative learning, the adaptive learning, personalizing the tools, and helpful in designing videos and projects, and even without remaining with the child 24/7 present with our children. This is what we'll learn. So AI tools for communication and collaboration. Let me start with this school AI tool, and I'm sharing the link with you. If you all can help me, I'll stop sharing first and I'll ask whether we all are ready with it or not. Teachers, are we ready with the mobile phones or something like this so that we can do hands-on today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I need thumbs up if you all can give your reactions to me. Simple, ma'am. Thank you so much. Manisha, ma'am is ready. Great. So we all are together. Are we together, teachers? We have to collaborate today. And you all will be sharing your one by one, you all will be showing whether what I am trying to teach is clear to you all or not. Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Let's begin. So here I am with this what I showed you was this. Are we all ready? Please type schoolai.com. Please, everybody, open your browsers in your mobiles, on your laptops, and open schoolai.com, please. After doing this, please click on Free for Teachers and register with your Google ID or whatever ID you want to. If you don't want to, then you can register like this also. Since I'm already registered, so it always takes me to my workplace, Launchpad. After registering, you'll come to this page. Are you all with me? Teachers, are we there? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
audible, and we are doing it on, like, we are putting yes on chat box.
Right. Thank you. I couldn't see it. So that's why I'm asking. It's not visible. The screen is not visible to me. Right. Koi baat nahi. That's okay. So here, this is the launchpad. As we say, the dashboard or launchpad, it has so many things for us. Everything you can have it over here. Everything, whatever you want. Right? So let us first begin with the first thing. Now you'll be again, since the exams are going to get over, so we'll be again making our lesson plans. Am I correct? So please, everybody, click on this tools option. See, I have done so many. If you can see, I have planned 16 documents with lesson planning. I have made 6 documents with multiple choice questions. Rubrics I have prepared, worksheets I have made, built my own documents over here, and so forth. So many things are here. If you all can see this. So let's start with this lesson plan first. Please, everybody, click on generate. And say, select any of your grades. You have to plan yourself. I will not plan it for you. You'll only share your planning with me today. So say if I'll say I'm writing class 12th over here, and I say data, since I'm an IP teacher, so I'm writing data visualization as my topic. Now, additional details. Teachers, when we prepare our topic or our lesson plan, the lesson plan diary has some
Ma'am,
focus.
excuse
Yes,
me,
yes,
excuse
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where to go? I have tools I have clicked,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then from there, where should I go?
Ma'am, first would be coming as lesson plan, and a button would be there, generate.
Okay, you are going to that. Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Now you input your own grade, whatever subject you teach, just first take that grade. Then write the topic for which you want to prepare the lesson plan for. And our diaries have some focus points, if you all remember. This is the topic, the subtopic, learning outcomes, everything is here. So what I have done is I have already typed it, I'm copying it, I'm going back. I have already typed it in Word document. मैंने पहले से बना के focus points रखे थे. To save time, I have done this. And I have put these additional details that I want my lesson plans on these details. Right? And even if you want to add your chapter, say for example, NCRT book is there and you want to add your class 12 chapter over here, yes, you can do it. If you have made a PDF of your book, yes, you can do it. And then click on generate. Are you all with me? Are we together? Because I'll not go forward unless we are
Yes, ma'am.
we are on the same page, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll wait for 1 minute more because see, this is the focus point which I have written over here. And then please click on generate. Within say 30 seconds, it has generated my lesson plan. Yes, teachers, since we are teachers, we have to go through what AI is giving us. It is not all truth which AI says. So please, please do verify whatever. See, it has given me everything. Whatever I require, what activities I can plan, I can do, mapping of the domains, and so on and so forth. Done? Have you all got?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done. Thank you
Yes.
so
Done,
much.
ma'am.
One more thing, ma'am. Here, if you can see this prompt, आप कुछ भूल गए लिखना, you want to write more. Say data visualization in Python for class 12th IP. Because data visualization is also there in my subject in computer science also. So if I want to change on this prompt, you can click and you can again change whatever you want to. And then regenerate. Now, since we have done this, how to get it? हमको चाहिए. So go on this export. It's PDF doc, Google Doc, Google Classroom. 3 options are there. Whatever you want. Say if I say PDF, so it will download. See, my PDF is there. I can show you my lesson plan and it is ready. Now I'll stop sharing my screen and I want teachers to show me what they have done. Can anyone show me? I've stopped sharing my screen. Anybody wants to show what they have made? Most welcome. This is one thing I have taught you right now. One thing only.
I am showing it, you see.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am. Thank you so much. Kindly share your
I have
screen.
done pronounce it.
I couldn't see Jayashree ma'am. Okay. Sir has... No,
Can you see, ma'am?
no ma'am, I can't. You
Ma'am,
have...
we are not supposed to share the screens. That is the reason. They are showing through camera.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sir has made... I'll share my screen with you. Sir, sir has made for us.
We can share screens, ma'am. The permission is there.
Let me share what sir has made. Sir, thank you so much for helping me. See,
I don't know it is right or wrong.
sir, this is the lesson plan for 9th grade which sir has made. Lesson plan, standard alignment. See, everything is there. Material required. If now it has also told here you can see that introduction, 10 minutes introduction, then 20 minutes direct instruct. See, everything it has told you. You just have to plan now according to it. And any inputs, if you want to change anything, it depends on you. You open it with Word and change it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Initially, I have
Like-
only write about the digestive system.
Yes,
Later
sir.
on, where you have told me that you can do the prompt,
Yes.
then I have added certain more things. So it is done according to your instruction. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Hope teachers have learned. I don't want to take a workshop just to speak and go. I want a hands-on over here so that everybody can learn. Looking at something and then I'll go and you people will start doing it will not make a sense because बाद में फिर हम अटक जाते. Then we don't have anybody and we leave the things. And we don't have time. We are teachers. We don't have time. So that is why I'm insisting in that everybody can be with me. We can be on the same page and we can learn. Chaliye, I'll go back again to what I was teaching.
Surabhi, can we make a report on this using AI on the AI portal?
Yes, sir, we can. I'll show you. I'll show you, sir. Right away, I'll show you.
Suppose we want to prepare the report of this 3 days program.
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
we
sir.
make on AI portal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me show you.
That will be very nice of you.
I'll show you. Just a minute. See, sir, on this, when we'll go on this, I'm again going back to the launchpad. Sir, in these tools, when we go in these tools, we can prepare, build your own. Here, when I'll click, I can provide all the instructions, whatever we have done, and attach these posters which we are making every day, and it will generate accordingly. But prompt has to be given by us. The prompt, and as we'll generate, it will come in front of us. We need to add just some of the pictures and it will be ready.
So let us, why don't we start from your session that how can we make the report of this session?
Sir, what I'll do is I'll prepare my screen recording for it because it will take a bit time. I have to fetch things from here and there. And then what I'll do is I'll prepare that screen recording and I'll put it in that AI group which we have made. So everybody can easily learn from there.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, teachers, I have also prepared rubrics. If you can see, I have made 4 documents for rubrics. When you provide children with activities, you have to prepare rubrics for it for checking. NCRF, when you'll be dealing with NCRF, NEP, they say, आप बच्चों की checking किस तरह से, even parents will ask you, आपने इतने marks कैसे दे? So you should have a rubric. So you can generate rubrics also. Here you can give any class anything and say, if you have given an assignment, anybody who can give me a title for the assignment now, instead of me typing everything, आप बताइए आपने होमवर्क दिया है उसका टाइटल क्या है? Anybody? Nobody?
Web chart on parts of computer.
Class 4th,
Yes, ma'am.
web chart on
Parts of computer.
parts of computer. Right. Any details? What did you ask the child to do?
To mention the main important parts of the computer.
No. I wanted to ask you whether you want them to make a chart, you want to prepare a PPT. What do you want
Ma'am,
here?
it's a web chart. Like they'll have in
Chart
the
means they'll draw.
they will draw, yes. They'll have a centric circle, and on that they'll write parts of computers, and then they have to make certain bubbles showing what are the important parts of the computer. There they can even draw the part of the computer, or they can simply write the name of the computer part also.
Am I okay with this? Now, on what point scale do you want to prepare your rubrics? 5-point scale, whatever. You tell me that.
Let us take a 3-point scale, because
Oh.
that is what is prescribed from CBSE also.
Okay. So, all right, I'll do that.
Three-point scale with a maximum of 10 marks.
It will take just 3 or 10, whatever you say. Then you have to
No, ma'am,
convert it.
it is like it is the point scale. So if we are taking
Here you can write it.
Okay.
3-point scale on
3-point scale
10.
with maximum 10 marks.
3-point scale with maximum 10 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Even whatever you have given as a homework to the child, you can copy paste the same question as additional information over here, and then you can generate. So see, it has made how you'll check on what points you'll provide them. This is how you'll do, and it has also provided you with the notes. Efforts, see, accuracy of information, completeness, visual representation, creativity, and effort. Where will you give them 3? Where will you give them 2 and 1? This is how you will see. It has even told you each criteria contributes to the overall maximum of 10 marks. Any changes if you want to make, again, prompt is there. You want to attach a file, you want to copy paste something else, you can do the same. So it becomes very easy for you that if you have given an assignment in any class, in any class section, you can easily work upon it. Am I clear with this, teachers? Will it help you?
Yes, ma'am. It's a very handy tool.
See, the best thing about school AI is, unless and until we want advanced tools, advanced usage of AI, we have everything over here in these tools. If you want something in advance, then you need to purchase it. Otherwise, you can use them as many. See, you can see I have prepared 5 rubrics. When you click on this 5, you'll have all these rubrics. See. So this will help you in doing all these things. Now coming to one more thing over here is a very beautiful thing is you yourself can be with your children and you can create your customized sessions with the students, telling them that you are not with them, but you are with them for 24/7. See, there are inbuilt foundation literacy spaces here. See, already available. You can click on it, share with the children. How you will share? There will be a link. आप सबके पास आजकल WhatsApp group होता है. You can do this with them also. Children can anytime ask questions. When you launch this, you'll get this code. Copy this link you have to copy and share with your students. They need not to, it's not necessary for them to have schoolai.com with them. It will just open when they need not to log in, nothing. And they can ask questions from you about it. Now, if I say find a space, see, you can have your own, you can become their teachers. Say so many tutors are there. If I'm a, say, health and fitness teacher, I'll click on this. The teachers of health and fitness can launch this and children can ask questions from them, whatever they want to. This I did earlier also, if some of them were there with me earlier also. You can even describe here whatever you want to, right? Say you are teaching about health and fitness mein yoga, yoga asanas for improving the immunity and concentration. Fine. And you can launch it. In the instructions, I'll write it. Audience description, class, whatever audience you want to have, want to have with parents, you can do it with parents also. You want to do it with children, you can do it with students also. Then again, launch. Now I'll share this link right away in the chat box with us. I'm sharing this link and you ask questions from me. AI will answer, I'll not answer. This link I have shared with you all.
Ma'am, we have to click on that link and
Yes,
then from there we have to put up the questions.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Can you see people have started? Anil sir has written, Manisha ma'am is there who have clicked on that link. When I click here and view the chat, if some question has been asked, it will come over here. You can ask a question from me over here. As a chat box, it will work. See, Samiksha ma'am, you wrote, can you suggest weight loss diet? Eat more fruits and vegetables, choose whole grains, learn. You should be very specific while asking. Can you suggest some asanas for weight loss? Let's see it will answer or not. And teachers, let me tell you, it is 24/7 available with the children. Now, this was, see, keeping jokes apart, you can, whatever you have taught today, if you want the child to be free to ask questions, the AI will answer for you. You can create your own spaces, your own tutor, and this will work. Am I clear? Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now, after this, there is one more. I have been through many a times I've seen teachers struggling in, say, when you want to cut a video short, आपको बहुत problem आती है, कैसे करे, कब करे, right? So let me show you how to do it. Now this is do you want something else to learn from here? You can even create class newsletters if you can see over here. सर आप जो मुझसे बात कर रहे थे रिपोर्ट बनाने का, हम क्लास न्यूज़लेटर्स के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं इस चीज को.
Class newsletter, where is that?
Now I was telling you about an app which will help you. This is tinywow.com. If you want to open, you people can open it. tinywow.com. Say I have a video I want to trim so that children do not see everything and I don't want to show them everything. So click on this trim video. Upload from your PC. If you have downloaded a video, say I have downloaded a video here, Warm GPT. It's a 9-minute video, but I don't want to show it because it is not required to be shown for 9 minutes. It will get uploaded over here.
Ma'am, ये तो मेरे काम की चीज है. Very helpful for me instead of
Many teachers can use it because we want to share some videos with them, but uploading also gets easy if we
because ma'am
crop.
Filmora बहुत time लेता है, and it's quite easier
Madam,
thing I
I
can
have got
say.
a new idea that this
Yes, sir.
time we'll prepare two type of reports. One is normal report and second is report on this AI on the AI platform.
Okay, sir.
So the work is increased. Thank you very much.
So, but
It
then
is-
it will
it is-
become easy afterwards, na?
Yes, yes.
Once though every time when we do it first time, it is a little bit heavy, but after that it becomes easier.
When I can make a lesson plan, everybody can.
Yes, sir. This is the video which has come. Now here, whatever you want to trim, till wherever you want to trim, you can start trimming. It'll upload. See, after some time, you'll start seeing here. And here also you can write, say, I want only video from 1 minute. I want a video of 1 minute 50 seconds. Instead of dragging it, which we do on Filmora, हमको आगे पीछे कई बार करना पड़ता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do it over here. It will come 150 trim. Click on this trim. It will get trimmed.
Beautiful thing, ma'am. Exact अगर हमें time पता है, then it's done in seconds.
See, you have to watch that video और आपको पता है आपको, because the timer is coming. So you can easily trim from here. These things we require every day, anytime it is required. Not only video, see, you can see PDF, image, you can write, you can cut short these videos, or you can mix some videos. This is one thing which, because online, I cannot show everything to you. But why I'm doing hands-on? Because once you start doing it, it will help you every time.
Practice yourself.
That is why, because I've taught earlier also, many teachers called me up, ma'am, हमने देखा था, but हमें आया नहीं. That is why I want hands-on. I received calls from teachers who were saying this. Meanwhile, this is happening. Let me come to this Quillbot. ये अपना वीडियो जब तक ट्रिम हो रहा है, हम एक और ऐप जल्दी से देख लेते हैं, because I have less time. अब if I want to summarize, or if I want something to translate, ठीक है, let me say I have kept one. I keep always this because this is close to my heart. Say from this, the path of action, Karma Yoga. This is Bhagavad Gita's chapter 3. I'm copying it from here. And if I want it in Hindi, I'll copy it. I'll go back to my quillbot.com. I'll paste it over here. And I want to translate it in Hindi. I'll just click on Hindi. कितनी देर लगेगी? So now if you are preparing your circulars in Hindi, English, convert them in Hindi through this. We can provide both Hindi, and parents can be any language. I'm not saying Hindi. If somebody wants it in Bangla, it's here. This is international site. One more site I'll tell you, where we have Bangla also, Marathi, Tamil also.
From here also it had Bangla in the first row.
I didn't
First
see.
row's third option. First row, third option, ma'am.
I couldn't see. Bengali.
First column, third option.
But this is script is also coming the same, na Tina? Am I clear with this? चलिए हम वापस ट्रिमिंग पे आ जाते हैं. मेरा फाइल रेडी हो गई. I'll download it. Easy to download. Save to the drive or save to the device, and it will get downloaded. ये देखिए, ये आ गया. It's within 1 minute or 2 minutes आपने वीडियो को शॉर्ट भी कर लिया, अपने हिसाब से उसको ट्रिम भी किया, and you have done it. Images, you want to remove a person from the photo, you want to create an AI image generator, please do it. Now again, I'll tell you, this AI generator, image generator, they will create by themselves. You'll not find this image in any of the Google servers. Anybody who wants to give me a title for it, I'll generate an image for you. आप कोई भी इमेज जनरेट करवाना चाहते हैं, मुझे बताइए, I'll do it for you.
Ma'am, a sun and a sunflower together represent, maybe a sunflower represented as a sun, something like that.
Sunflower. You want sunflower represented as?
Sunflower representing a sun. Like what I'm visualizing is the sun should come in the center of that sunflower
Let's see, Tina, this is
circle.
AI generator. I don't know what it will do. I'm not the artist. Sorry, but
Yes, ma'am. Let's see how it visualizes, because
right.
my visualization is a sun should come in the center of sunflower.
Let's
So
see.
let's see what AI infers out of it.
Meanwhile, it's generating I have told you about this quillbot.com where you can translate things. You can check the grammar. You can paraphrase something. If you want, आपको summary करनी है, छोटा करना है, expand करना है. See, everything is here. Simple करना है, formal बनाना है, whatever you want, you just have to paste it over here. And if you want to paraphrase it, it will limit. It will paraphrase. Now see, it says 125 words only. So this is a task. Since I don't have the premium version, so it will translate or paraphrase it accordingly. Summarization can also be done over here. एक ही tool में आपको सब मिल जाएगा. Two tools if you'll use schoolai.com, Quillbot, ये दोनों आप they will help you every day in your academic teaching which you want the child to do. और छोटी सी चीज बताती हूँ, बच्चों को मत बताइएगा. studentai.com. When your children are leaving after class 12th, you can tell them that you can use this. Summarize the text, article generator, product name generator, and so forth. Many, many things are there with which will help children. This is studentai.com. This is studentai.app actually. हम इमेज पे जाते हैं. टीना मैम ने जो बोला था, टीना मैम उसने ऐसे किया है, आई डोंट नो. You have generate more का option if you don't like it. So I guess one more app I wanted to tell you all is app.diffit.me. Now this app is also, again, it like Quillbot and School AI, it will also help you. But see, if you can see, this features are only till 9th November. So School AI, Quillbot is available to you anytime without premium feature, but this will not. This will not open. The resources will not be there for you. But again, many teachers last time told me, ma'am, Hindi में आप बताइए. तो Hindi, I told my teachers you can develop lesson plan and everything in Hindi also. And I guess they are doing, because after that nobody came to me. So I'm thinking that they have done it. So when I talk about all these small things, this DFID and all, I guess teachers you have got a little bit of idea how you can generate your resources, you can collaborate with each other, and the teaching gets easier for you. The burden of creating a paper or creating a worksheet, you go to schoolai.com, it will do it for you. You can prepare for certain topics, small topics also you can prepare, and it will help you. I guess I have taken most of the time, so I'll conclude. So AI always enhances the collaboration, communication. First time you do anything, it will look like a task, but after that, it will make things easier for you. And this is what last time also I've shown. I want to show you this. Nobody can take our place.
Ma'am, the screen is the other one.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the screen is other one. I think the window is some other window. So a blank screen is coming on the bottom.
Now, is it coming?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Now your PPT is visible.
When I was in middle school, a teacher brought us all to the front of the class and held out this giant golden disc. "This is the future of education," he said. "Someday you'll be able to pick up one of these laser discs, take it to a pod with a TV, and learn exactly what you need to learn. You won't even need teachers. This will change learning forever." Well, it did not change learning forever. And years later, I saw the same argument reemerge with the rise of the internet and search engines. We could just ask Jeeves and he'd answer our questions. Rest in peace, Jeeves. Later, it was one-to-one devices and then leveled reading programs for intervention, and now it's the promise of personalized learning with generative AI. Students will sit in front of a computer with an AI tutor and receive the exact instruction they need without the guidance of a teacher. But this isn't actually personalized learning. This is adaptive learning. Here's the difference. Adaptive learning is algorithm driven. Students progress through preset curriculum and the AI makes adjustments to the skill levels of the students as they get answers correct or incorrect. However, personalized learning is human driven. While it might include technology, the core idea is the person. In terms of learning tasks, adaptive learning tends to be more programmed as students work on targeted standards using digital worksheets. Meanwhile, personalized learning tends to be more authentic. Students engage in real-world problem solving with opportunities to do creative work. Adaptive learning is individualized, with students working alone at a computer. The work is at their level and follows their pace. By contrast, personalized learning is more collaborative with a focus on interdependent work. Adaptive learning uses a singular assessment approach. It's fast and efficient. Students get immediate feedback and the algorithm uses this assessment data to adjust the next learning task. However, personalized learning incorporates varied assessment practices. Students engage in self-reflections and peer assessment and teacher assessments, all with the goal of helping them improve their mastery of the standards. Adaptive learning is efficient, with specific adjustments happening in the moment. Meanwhile, personalized learning is often messy. Even with structures and scaffolds, it tends to be a little less predictable. Adaptive learning is built for student engagement. Students might get choices, but they have no real voice in the process. The system is more closed. By contrast, personalized learning focuses on learner agency. It moves beyond engagement into empowerment. Instead of simply making decisions, students actually forge their own path and they own the process. Now, both approaches have their place. Adaptive learning can work great for quick, efficient skill practice, but personalized learning works better with bigger concepts, larger projects, and applied learning. Moreover, both approaches can make use of AI. In adaptive learning, AI fuels the learning process, but in personalized learning, AI informs the process. In other words, personalized learning remains at its core human-driven. In personalized learning, students might use a chatbot to answer specific questions as they engage in inquiry and research. Small groups might use AI to get feedback on their work. Teachers might use generative AI to help develop rubrics or create leveled readers of various topics. But the key thing is that the human remains at the center of personalized learning. See, AI cannot and will not replace teachers because teaching is an inherently human endeavor built on collaboration and relationships. It incorporates curiosity and creativity. It includes empathy and understanding. And those are the things that teachers do every single day.
Thank you so much. Any questions, anybody?
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Simple this side.
Simple, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last evening you told us about warm GPT.
Ma'am, इसके
And you
बाद वही
told-
आ रहा है, वही आ रहा है.
Okay, okay, okay. That is the thing.
I remember. Here,
Okay.
if anybody wants to ask anything else. So this is a video which will show you what is WORM, warm GPT.
So there is a new generative AI tool out there that is designed specifically for malicious activities, and it's called Worm GPT. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this tool, how it works, what it can do, where to find it, and why it's so dangerous. So what is Worm GPT exactly? Well, it's a generative AI tool based on the GPT-J language model, which was developed in 2021. It's similar to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT has some ethical safeguards against misuse, such as preventing it from producing harmful or inappropriate content. Worm GPT, on the other hand, has no such ethical boundaries or limitations. It's designed specifically for malicious activities, such as crafting phishing emails, creating malware, and advising on illegal activities. Everything Black Hat related that you can think of can be done with Worm GPT, allowing anyone access to malicious activity without ever leaving the comfort of their home. Worm GPT was discovered by Next, an email security provider, who found it being advertised on a prominent online forum that's often associated with cybercrime. The developer of Worm GPT claims that it was trained on a diverse array of data sources, particularly concentrating on malware-related data. They also claim that it has features such as unlimited character support, chat memory retention, and code formatting capabilities. The developer of Worm GPT is selling access to the tool for €60, which is around $67 per month or €550 per year. They also offer a free trial for anyone who wants to test it out. But don't be fooled by this seemingly generous offer. This tool is not something you want to mess with. It's a dangerous weapon that can cause serious damage to individuals and organizations alike.
And we need to tell our children that they should not go for it, because when you go in incognito window, it's very easy that children can go for Worm GPT also. So that is why I wanted to tell you, when you're telling children about Chat GPT, please do tell them about this also, because like drug addicts, drugs, this thing is also going through children, and especially the children who are just transforming, that is, they are going from our schools to colleges. These things they catch very easily because they start earning through this, and this is what has become now. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone, for hearing me so patiently. Hope I have made myself clear, and hope we have collaborated in learning something today. Thank you so much.